come along and spend a realistic weekend with me. We've got shopping to do. The boys have a few jobs to take care of. I've got some meal prepping on the agenda. So it's definitely going to be a very busy one. But before then, let's get the steps in. Yam finally arrived, and of course we went to share it. And if you are wondering why we are sharing yam, it's because that's how many of us buy it here in Australia. We place our orders ahead of time, and once it arrives, everyone comes together to collect their share. It's quite different from back home where you can easily buy yam whenever you need it. Here it's a little different. Planning goes a long way. The good thing is that once you get it, it usually lasts us for months, sometimes almost the whole year if we store it very well. It's one of those little things that reminds me how much of living abroad teaches you to, plan ahead and make the most of what you have. Right, I have just come back from Costco with my weekly shopping, and these are all the things I got from Costco for the week. Like, of course, Costco is a wholesale shop where you buy in bulk. So all this will last, for a few weeks, I think. So yes, let's unpack this and then we'll get to the rest of what I have to do for this week. As you know, it's weekend resets, come resets, my house, my life, food prep, everything I can do this week. Let's do it together. If you watched my previous video, the video I posted before this one, you would know how I came about this box of tomatoes and capsicum, and this is what I do to preserve and store them for future use. I ensure to prep it immediately I got them that day, and I just store them away. So this is what I did with the capsicum and tomatoes. I blended most of them. Those ones at the back are what's it called? Tomatoes. Of course, the tomatoes was more than the capsicum, so the tomatoes I would freeze. I've actually already frozen all of them before I remember that I've not taken a video of what I did with them, so I had to bring them out. The tomatoes at the back, that is this one, I'm going to keep for next shopping when I buy more capsicum. So this one says blended pepper for stew and jollof rice. Same for this one, same for this one, and yeah, same for that one as well, and that one as well. This one is only blended tomatoes, and this one is pepper mixed with tomatoes, pepper mixed with tomatoes, and this one is pepper mixed without tomatoes. So this one I would normally use for a furry roll, or if I just want sauce without tomatoes, if you get what I mean. This one also for sauce, fish sauce, chicken sauce, or whatever it is. So yeah, that's how I'm preserving or storing this pepper, and this is actually going to cut down cooking time because I already have the pepper ready. It's just to bring them out from the freezer anytime I need them. Will you be trying this? Yeah, let me know. Sweet. I'll put them back in the freezer. That one as well. So yep.
I mean 6 years.
Yeah.
Knock knock.
Come in.
No, not the other one. Knock knock.
Mommy,
I'm not doing
I
that.
need a lot of
I'm
going
not
to.
down anymore. Actually, I'm not doing it. Knock knock.
Where is- Are you going to be my defender? See, the two of them are ganging up against me. You for me or you're also against me? Hey, wait. I prefer grilling my protein. I want to make a foriro and a foiledusi. So this is spinach. I like to use spinach and kale for my foriro. For my foriro, and then I'll use a little bit of the kale for my edusi, foiledusi. I don't know, is it just me or tomatoes in Australia are quite watery when you blend them? Even when you buy the Roma tomato, they are still very watery. Don't know. Maybe it's just me. Anyway, I'll be using turkey for stew. I'll do a mixture of turkey and goat's meat. Lunch this week, I'm planning on making jollof rice and pasta, like jollof rice and pasta. And we'll be using the goat's meat. This turkey are too big to take to work. Apart from this turkey stew, I still want to make, I think I said it earlier, I still want to make what's it called? Of course, jollof rice, pasta, and then the soup for this week is a foriro and egusi soup. So, yeah. You see this trick? This has been saving me. So I have a gallon of palm oil that I bought, and it's currently winter in Australia. So this is what I did. I just poured some of the oil into a bowl like this, so it's very easier for me to scoop out. Let me show you the gallon. So this is the gallon of the palm oil that I bought from I still have about half left in here, but it's now solidified. So if I had not poured it into containers like this, let me show you, I would not be able to get anything out. See, it's not coming out. So I have this I think 5 liter bucket. I think so. Are those 5 liters? Yeah, 5 liters, because this gallon is 20 liters. So I poured, see, this should serve me all through winter. By the end of winter, this would have, loosened up, and I'll be able to use from the gallon. Now this needs to go. I am. When you guys finish, come and put this take this rubbish out. This is the kale. Woo? Still to fully cool down before packing it up. So this is what we have: jollof rice, stew, pasta, and I've already packed the egusi over here. That's what is there. The egusi soup right there. This one, yeah. All right, meal prep done for the week, and just going to pack this and put away in the fridge. That's it for this weekend reset. My kitchen is clean and it's gonna be shut for the night. Thanks for coming on this journey with me. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes. I really appreciate it. If you are new here, please do well to subscribe, leave a comment, like, love, share. And until I see you in another weekend reset, have a beautiful week.